That'll work.
Around here.
Oh, 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 oh.
There you go, double rig.
He's on there. Grab that net, it's on top of the canopy right there in front of you. All right. Oh, don't you come on. Keep swinging that way. Oh. What was fun, these little.
Turret makes it fun, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what is
Flatty?
Oh, hey, that's a nice one.
Anyway.
That's a nice one.
Heck yeah.
One on the double rig.
Hot dog.
Got it on video too.
Awesome.
Take down and toss.
All right.
Got your flathead. What we've been here 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a nice one. Rip me to pieces. Woo! I mean, rip me to pieces. Now, you won't do that again. I should know better than that. I gotta get some battle scar. Gosh.
They blues tear you up. 23 pounds.
23 pounds. She's fired up.
Fishing the Canal River today. It's about what, 3 mile an hour current.
Yep.
We're anchored up right here. This is the first time I've been on a pontoon boat, and Sherry's gonna like this. It's a lot of room on it. This is Jason Brewer.
Howdy, guys.
And he's done caught one, so we're good to go.
Got battle scars.
Yep, done bit his pinky finger off. We'll stay here a little bit longer. Caught on a double rig. All right,
Shad.
Cut shad. We're using bluegill. We got some frozen skipjack. So we'll see what happens the rest of the evening.
Oh, get him. Camera on?
No, this one ain't. Oh, that's a good one.
A good one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to move some poles, ain't we? One on this one?
I think so. That's what I thought you was talking about.
There is one on doubles.
Oh,
stick.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Where's he gonna go?
He's gonna
That
come
side
out here. Watch that hook on that. This one feels.
Not too far.
This one here feels pretty good too. Look at that pole bend.
Man, look at that.
Look at that.
Let him get in the boat. I don't think I moved that rod out that far, but we never know.
Oh, he's pulling drag.
Mmm. Man, how you like it, Hellcat?
Feels good.
It does, don't it?
Let him wear down here.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Fighting like flat or blue.
It feels like a blue.
Oh man.
See how he's doing the head shape?
I'm in right now.
Twist it around. Yeah. Well, it's got her bent, don't it? I believe it's a blue.
I'm not a very good camera.
No, that's a good one.
Mmm.
I believe it's a blue, but I could be wrong.
We ain't seen nothing of him yet, have we?
No.
Look at that.
Look at
bend.
that. Oh. Oh, big flathead.
Big flatty.
You want to change spots?
No, just bring him back up here if you can. He ain't done.
He ain't done yet. He wanting to bury.
Get this land tonight. We can go home. I'm happy.
Ain't that great? Son, he's feisty too.
Yeah, he is. That's the first fish on this pole.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my gosh.
Golly.
Oh, nope.
He's not
He
ready.
said, no, he ain't ready.
Oh, don't come off there.
Come on. I shouldn't have stabbed at him. Might need to let you just trade position. All right. Get behind him.
Keep him out of that motor. That's my biggest flathead.
That's a monster. A monster. Got him. Oh, we might have to.
Woo! That's my personal best. I can tell you that right
I can
now.
tell you, yeah, that's a monster. All right, 1, 2, 3. Gosh. Oh my Lord, that's a big
30 plus. But you?
every bit of it. I bet he's 40 inches. Easy.
Where's them grippers?
All right, let me get some landscapes if I can. All right, snapping pictures. All right. I just took a bunch, see?
That's my personal
Wow.
best.
Thank you, Lord. You want to go up here to the door?
Getting him on video here.
Okay.
He pooped on my shoe. Wow. Huge. He got.
I mean, a monster. I need another rope around on there. Them
46 pound, my personal best. On Jason's pole.